Force is a push or pull that can make an object move, stop, or change direction. Imagine you're riding a bike down a hill. First, the push you give off the ground is the force that gets you going. Some of the most amazing habitats on Earth are found in the rainforest. A rainforest is a place with a lot of precipitation, and it has many kinds of animals, trees, and other plants. Tropical rainforests are usually not too far from the equator and are warm all year. This story has been told and retold for thousands of years. What is the central message that it is teaching? Salt also makes sure we stay hydrated, which means there is enough water in our body for it to properly function. Let's make the parts the same by adding 1 to 3. Have you ever wondered why a soccer ball soars through the air the way it does, or how a skateboarder manages to stay on their board while flipping it? It's all about the science of how objects move, called physics. First, the push you give off the ground is the force that gets you going. Then, as you speed up, gravity, another natural force, pulls you down the hill. Finally, when you brake, the force of friction between the bike's brake pads and the tires slows you down.
Friendship is a universal treasure. It brings joy, support, and laughter into our lives no matter where we are in the world. True friends stand by us through thick and thin, sharing our joys and easing our sorrows. Let's celebrate the bonds of friendship that connect us all across every language and culture. La amistad es un tesoro universal. Aporta alegría, apoyo y risas a nuestras vidas sin importar dónde estemos en el mundo. Los verdaderos amigos están con nosotros en las buenas y en las malas, compartiendo nuestras alegrías y aliviando nuestras penas. Celebremos los lazos de amistad que nos conectan a todos a través de cada idioma y cultura. 友谊是一种普遍的财富，无论我们身在世界何处，它都会给我们的生活带来快乐、支持和笑声。真正的朋友在我们经历风风雨雨时，与我们并肩，分享我们的快乐，减轻我们的悲伤。让我们庆祝友谊的纽带，它跨越每一种语言和文化，将我们所有人连接在一起。Freundschaft ist ein universeller Schatz. Sie bringt Freude, Unterstützung und Lachen in unser Leben, egal wo auf der Welt wir uns befinden. Wahre Freunde stehen uns durch dick und dünn zur Seite, teilen unsere Freuden und lindern unsere Sorgen. Feiern wir das Band der Freundschaft, das uns alle verbindet, über alle Sprachen und Kulturen hinweg. L'amitié est un trésor universel. D'où que nous venons, elle apporte joie, soutien et rire dans nos vies. Les vrais amis se tiennent toujours à nos côtés. Contre vent et marée, ils partagent nos joies et soignent nos chagrins. Chérissons les liens d'amitié qui nous unissent, par-delà la diversité de nos langues ou de nos cultures. 友情は普遍的な宝物です。世界のどこにいても私たちの生活に喜び、サポート、笑いをもたらします。本当の友達はどんな時も私たちに寄り添い、喜びを分かち合い、悲しみを和らげてくれます。あらゆる言語や文化を超えて私たち全員をつなぐ友情の絆を祝いましょ
う。When you have all of your ingredients together, you are going to put the chopped broccoli and chopped banana peppers inside the bowl. And now this is very adverse. You can use anything that you would like. If you want to use cucumbers, you can chop up cucumbers and put this in here.
Hi everyone, this is what my voice sounds like using OpenAI new text to speech model called Voice Engine. I was able to use this 15 seconds of a video I made for a class project to be a reference audio source for the voice you hear right now. What do you think?
Hi everyone, this is what my voice sounds like using OpenAI's new text-to-speech model called Voice Engine. I was able to use just 15 seconds of a video that I made for a class project to be the reference audio source for the voice you hear right now. What do you think?